Hello, and welcome to this tutorial for setting up your library account so that you can access what books you have checked out and renew them online. On the library's main page, come to where it says Catalog, and up here in the top right corner, it will say Sign In. The first time you set up your account, you can come down here to where it says Request Password. Then put in your username, which will be a lowercase c followed by the first 7 digits of your CTC ID number. Then click Request. And a new password um, link will be sent. You'll receive a message that looks something like this. Click on the link and put in your username and create your new password. And then confirm your password. And then click on Change Password. If you're on your own computer and you see the message that says update your password, you can do that. On a public computer, just go ahead and say no thanks. Okay, once you've created your password, bring up the catalog again and then click on Sign In. Put in your username and your new password, and then tell it to sign in. And up here in the right corner, you'll see where it says your name and where it says My Account. This is where you can click on to see what materials you have checked out. And it also shows you when they're due. If you have anything that's coming up, you can renew it here. Uh, this is something that you can do with books. It would not be advisable to use this function for renewing laptops simply because there may be a wait list. But for your books, this is what you'll need to do. If you have any overdue fines or fees, they will show up here. You can also use your account to save searches in the catalog and also to request interlibrary loans and all like that. When you are finished, just come to My Account and click on Sign Out, and it will log you out. And that's all there is to accessing your online library account to see what books you have checked out and how to renew them. For more information, you can call the library at 254-526-1621, or you can send us an email to referencerequest@ctcd.edu.